rapping, dude. Might just trap with you. Coming with the thunder, baby. Might just clap your crew. I roll out in the morning light with that Harley bike, all black. I'm the party.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Wi-Fi cracking tools that Kali Linux has incorporated. However, it is important that the wireless card that you has a support monitoring mode. FERN Wi-Fi Cracker is one of the tools that Kali has to crack wireless. Before opening FERN, we should turn the wireless card into monitoring mode. To do this, open your terminal and type Ermenang start WLAN 0. Now, open FERN Wireless Cracker tool. Select the wireless card as shown. Click Scan for access points. After finishing the scan, it will show all wireless networks found. In this case, only WPA networks was found. Click WPA network. It shows all the wireless found. Generally, in WPA networks, it performs directory attacks as such. Click Browse and find the words list to use for attack. After finishing the dictionary base attack, it found that password and shows the Wi-Fi password. Thanks guys for watching this video. Caught you in the next tutorial. Until then, goodbye.